Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 30th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Wow, very nice day for Tesla. We are up $18.99, up 2.68%. We closed at 730.91. Post market, we are up $3.39. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We have a nice green candle, and coincidence? I think not. The bottom of the candle is just right smack on the resistance that we had drawn. I just turned it green because this has become support. And I just drew this other support here. Let me tell you where I put it, and I think I'm gonna adjust it. I think I like it better right here. I can always adjust it if it does not work. So 723, I want to put something here. 723, so this is a support, 723. So nice, big, strong day. Almost no wick at the top. So we had a high of 731 and a close of 730 and 91 cents. So almost no wick at the top. So nice big push for Tesla. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. This is the first hour. So the first hour is right here. Yes, so this is confirming that we started the day above the resistance that we had. We went a little bit down and basically bounced on that support and then came back up. Second, third hour up. In the third hour, we have a longer wick at the top, so a little bit of a pushback from the sellers. Then the fourth hour was a little bit down, but then buyers were there in force, boom, boom, for the last 3 hours. And especially the last hour has a longer wick at the bottom, so nice buying pressure. MACD, super nice. Stochastic at 99, super high. DMI, very good too, with a big difference between the two lines. And RSI is climbing and climbing. It's close to what is, let me see this RSI. What are the band lines? So upper band 8. Okay, I'm gonna put it at 80 because basically this is the usual way of doing the RSI. So you put the upper band at 80, the lower band at 20. This is numbers that are used a little bit more. So we are close to the 80 mark for RSI. Let me go back to the daily chart. I just did this today, so we have a bullish crossover from MACD. So MACD is telling us, well, okay, based on these moves, this is a bull trend. The only thing to be careful now with MACD is that because we are in a upward channel, the channel is quite narrow, so MACD is going to be late. Because we would have wanted to have the signal right here because we made a low here on August 17. So a couple of days after, we were still pretty low, and we would have liked to have a signal that a reversal was coming. Because the channel is quite narrow, the DMI does not have a lot of time to show us the right crossovers. So in this case, we should rely a little bit less on MACD to spot the reversals on the support. So we should use something else like Stochastic, which is a little bit more, I would say, reactive. We can also use the price action itself. So we can also use the fact that the stock was making higher lows right here. Higher lows, and higher lows 4 days in a row with also the same top. So we basically had a small ascending triangle right here. And it's been going up pretty much ever since. Stopping a little bit on 697, taking a pause there, validating that support at 697 and then going even further. So the stock is doing pretty good. I think we should be hitting easily 750 within a day or two. Could be as soon as tomorrow. Let's look at Stochastic at 99, super strong. DMI looking even better and better. The only technical downside here is that the RSI is not showing the same strength as it was showing when the stock was in this congestion zone between 697 and 723. So that's the only part that is a little bit not in sync. It's not super critical, but just a little factoid. So great day. Let's see what tomorrow has in store for us. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. You can join me for $5 a month to have exclusive access to my weekly technical analysis videos I do on the weekend using the weekly chart, so that we can look at the longer term view a little bit. And if you happen to be on YouTube at the same time, then you can join the stream. So it's $5 a month for that. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.